I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.
Today in Cape Town is a stopover of Terra, and we took that opportunity to organize a summer school. So we invited students from the entire coast of Africa bordering the Atlantic. The aim is really to get the students to know each other, to build a network, so that in the future they can join and participate in common projects. And in AtlantECO we have one of these projects. We call that the All Atlantic Ocean Sampling Day. And so all the trainees will participate. So it's a small set of protocols that everybody will do on the same day, on the 21st of September. And that's a capacity sharing activity.
Am I right? Yes, I thought it. Good? Yeah, we have to read.
Is that something you've done before? First time?
This is the first time.
Today we are on the sea with the Terra Ocean crew, and we are learning to sample plankton and analyze microbiomes. The ocean is important to food security, important to the economy of the world. So we are here, we need to understand what's happening in the ocean.
Ok Manche, on va mettre la rosette à l'eau si ça va pour toi.
The ocean is vast, as we know. It covers 2/3 of our Earth, and so one can imagine that sampling as much as we can helps us to resolve a lot of what goes on in the ocean, so that we can better understand it. Although the responsibility really does lie on very few very powerful stakeholders, everyone should have the opportunity to explore, to be a part of the ocean, and also to be a custodian of the ocean.
I need to know more about the ocean dynamics and the organisms living in the ocean, how they interact with each other and how their ecosystem works. And trying to be somebody who can make changes in the future in my country, be somebody who can impose some kind of policy in my country and conserve the ocean together, because we cannot live without the ocean.
We'll be removing the filters from the water that we filtered to extract the DNA.
Surface at 12:03.
Did you learn a lot today?
A lot. I learned how to filter water from the rosette to extract eDNA and to input data.
The world perceives maybe the ocean as being just okay and fine because the water looks blue. But deep down, the things we do not know, like in terms of like the pollution with plastics, let's say, this is like contamination we can't see, and so it's our home, it's our ecosystem, and it's the biggest one of them all, and it's all we have. So it's our mandate to actually take care of it.